Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for schedule. First, open Notion and create a new page, choosing the Table Database view. This provides a structured layout for your schedule. Next, add essential properties such as date for deadlines, status to track progress, priority for importance, and tags for categorization. Begin populating your table with all your tasks, events, and important deadlines to start organizing your time effectively. Once your basic schedule is set up, customize its appearance to suit your workflow. Notion offers various views, including Calendar for a visual overview, Board for Kanban-style task management, and Timeline for project planning. You can easily filter your tasks by date, priority, or status to focus on what matters most. Grouping tasks by project or life area also helps maintain clarity and keeps everything organized. To further enhance your scheduling, consider automating repetitive tasks. Use Notion's template button feature to create recurring tasks, like weekly reports or daily check-ins, saving you valuable time. Link related pages and databases within Notion to build a comprehensive and interconnected system, ensuring all your information is easily accessible. For advanced users, integrating with other tools via Notion's API or third-party connectors can streamline your workflow even more. For truly effective scheduling, consistent review is key. Take a few minutes each day to review your schedule, update progress, and adjust priorities as necessary. When tackling large projects, break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less daunting and easier to start. Finally, consider using visual cues like color coding or emojis to quickly distinguish between different task types or priority levels, making your schedule intuitive and easy to navigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.